Welcome to Kasliwal Projects Limited, where tradition meets innovation to bring the finest cookware and kitchenware into your homes. Established in the year 1985 by Shri Padam Kumar Jain, the KPL Group has been dedicated to crafting products that elevate the cooking experience for our customers. With a legacy built on quality and customer satisfaction, our commitment has stood the test of time for over 40 years. We are committed to grow our core business of manufacturing and selling the cookware and appliances under our indigenous brands, Trupti, Aramex and The Chef's Story, covering the entire range of value, semi-premium and premium kitchen solutions. KPL is the flagship and holding company of the Kasliwal group of companies, which are amongst the top leading OEM manufacturers and suppliers in India and overseas. KPL, through its subsidiary Kasliwal Housewares Private Limited, has recently acquired a 250,000 square foot land parcel in Wada near Mumbai to expand our manufacturing facilities. Every step of our process is rigorously monitored and controlled to meet the highest quality standards, ensuring we exceed customer expectations and address evolving market demands. Our journey begins with sourcing the finest materials and sustainable resources carefully chosen to ensure strength, durability, safety, and outstanding performance. At KPL, our research and development teams continually innovate to create products that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, keeping pace with the latest trends. We are driven by our commitment to sustainability, reducing our carbon footprint. We believe that great products bring people together, helping create memorable meals and moments with loved ones. Our dedicated team is at the heart of everything we do, delivering products that we are proud of. With KPL, every product tells a story of quality, innovation and care, helping you create moments that matter, one meal at a time.